Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can loop over items in n8n. Okay, this is going to be very useful, especially when you have like a certain upstream of data, all right, and you have like different arrays processing a certain number of items and things like that, and you want to do something with that data. This is going to be perfect for array limits or paginated work. What are we going to do, guys? First of all, we need to ensure that we have some upstream data. Okay, so I'm just going to add like a first step. And for example, your data can come from a HTTP request or from Google Sheets seed, different rows, different items. In my case, I'm just gonna assume that they come from a website, right? So you can just paste here the website and the things that you want to do with it. Okay, amazing. Now we have our data in here, and we have to add a new step, which is going to be called loop over items. Okay, guys, there we have it. Now let's set the batch size to 10. This is going to basically determine how many items at a time we get from this page, from this HTTP request. Okay. So for example, if there's 100 data in total on this page, they're going to be split in batches of 10. So 10, 10, 10, so on, so on, so on. Okay. Now, you can see this little note in here that says replace me. What we're actually going to do, guys, is pay attention. Just delete this node in here, and I'm going to add a new node. And I'm going to, for example, let's say that we want to send an email with this data that we just grab, okay, from the page. We're going to click on send an email. We're going to fill in the rest of the details, like from email to email subject and, HTML. Amazing. But this is outside of the loop now, okay? And we want to put it inside of the loop. So how are you going to do this? Is by deleting this little loop in here. Let's put it horizontally. And what are we going to do, guys? Let's actually, there we go. What are we going to do is we're actually going to grab this little handle and we're going to close the loop in here. There we have it, guys. That's perfect. Okay, now we have this little loop. Amazing. So that's pretty much it. And thank you so much, guys.